Hi. The Baby Beebee Bird by Diane Redfield Massey. Pictures by Stephen Kellogg. And that right there is the Baby Beebee Bird. And that is a giraffe. All right. The Baby Beebee Bird. Look at what's going on here on this page. You got the animals at the zoo had roared and growled and hissed and mewed all day long. They were very tired. "It's 8 o'clock," yawned the elephant as he settled down in his big hay bed. "I've eaten 562 peanuts today," he said. But no one heard him. They were all asleep. The zoo was very still until... "Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby." "What," said the elephant, "is that?" "Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee." "It's the Baby Beebee Bird," said the giraffe. "He's new to the zoo." "Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee." "Well, tell him to be quiet," growled the leopard. "I want to sleep." "Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby." "Be quiet, please," said the giraffe politely. "Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby." "But I can't," said the Beebee Bird. "I'm wide awake." "Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby." "Quiet!" roared the lion. "Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby." "He's wide awake," explained the giraffe. "Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby." "Why isn't he tired like the rest of us?" moaned the bear. "Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee." "Aren't you tired?" asked the giraffe. "Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee." "No," said the Beebee Bird. "I've slept all day. Now it's time for me to sing. Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby." "Oh dear," said the elephant, "and I am so sleepy." "Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee." "Quiet!" shouted all the animals. "Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby." "We can't sleep. Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby," all night long. The sun rose in the morning on a very tired zoo. "What can be the matter?" cried the keeper. "The elephant is laying down. The lion's paws are over his eyes, and the eagle isn't screeching. Oh, dear me, the animals must be sick," he wailed, and he hurried away to get the vet. "Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby," said the Baby Beebee Bird cheerfully as he settled down for his morning nap. "Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby." "Shh, shh." The lion whispered to the bear. "I have a plan," he said. The bear nodded and whispered the plan to the others. The Beebee Bird was at last asleep. "Beebee Bobby," roared the lion. "Beebee Bobby," trumpeted the elephant. "Beebee Bobby," bellowed the bears. "Beebee Bobby," sang all the animals together. "Quiet," said the Beebee Bird. "Can't you see that I'm sleeping? It is time for my nap." "Beebee Bobby," yelled the hippos. "Beebee Bobby," shrieked the seals. "Beebee Bobby," thundered the moose and the water buffalo. "Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby," they roared, and the keeper came running with his arms in the air. "Something is wrong," he shouted. "Something is very wrong with the animals. Whatever shall I do?" And he jumped up and down with alarm. "Beebee Bobby," sang the animals all day long, and the Baby Beebee Bird simply couldn't sleep at all. "Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby." The sun went down and the moon came up. "Beebee Bobby, Beebee 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 Bobby," whispered the lion, who was too tired to roar. Beebee, sighed the bear as he closed his eyes. Beebee, Beebee, mumbled the elephant, half to himself, and then all was still. The moon shone down on a sleeping zoo. Not an ear or a tail or a whisker moved. Look at them all. They're all asleep. Wow. And high up in the linden tree, a tiny little bird inside a leaf was fast asleep. Whoa. They're all sleeping. And now, every day at the zoo, you can hear Beebee Boobie, Beebee Boobie, Beebee Boobie in between the lions' roars. His roar, arr, 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 oomp, oomp, poofs, arr. But at night, there is never a sound. Nighttime is really best for sleeping, especially for very little birds. The end.